resistance band workout. This is the part 1 the series. So after the warm-up video, you need only one resistance band and one chair and one the yoga block or anything that's stable for you. Even you can use the cushion as well, and yoga mat. So part 1, we first stand up straight. This is slightly knee bend every stand up position. Just the one hands on your belt, opposite arms and opposite knees. So bend the knee and arms straight. Try to touch the kneecap, just a gentle touch. If you can't, if it feels you have a pain your left hips, make sure your legs, so make sure a little bit more mindful, so go slow if you need to. And I apply here the only one set, so you can replay the video and doing the second set after that. So we do the 15 repetition, the goals to each exercises. Keeping if you see that I'm not leaning back, so supporting legs slightly knee bend. Make sure the chest up as always and core tight. Think about looking the straight forward, keeping the shoulder relaxed. And this will help you to strengthen the hip flexors muscle and also the core as well. And second exercise, you need to resistance band and open the resistance band completely and both feet inside the resistance band. Holding the first crisscross the resistance band, so side steps. If you remember, we did with this one with the loop band, so other resistance band. Same things, just slightly bend the knee, look forward, step and step. And if you see, I'm not put my feet up so high, to try to touch the close to ground as possible. So using the lateral side abductor, the outer side your legs. And of course, you may feel after maybe 10 to 15, 12 repetition, you may feel a little bit burning. That's okay, just do your best. Keep going, a little bit more push and a little bit more push. The goals here, 15 each side is 30 repetition. And after you can relax the resistance band, and third exercise, we go back again to standing. So standing this time, the arms up, and then turn your feet outer side, like you think about it, your feet position T. So arms straight, bend the knee, close the knee to elbow as possible. And try to not to shift your body one side too much. You can hold your belt, your arms straight, or if you need it to, please feel free to hold the wall or anything stable. And then if you improve, and then you can improve, and then you don't need to hold anything, so you need to learn how to use the core a little bit more. So as we go, you will see it a little bit more improvement, and then if we do we will increase intensity too. Just for now, try the feet touch the ground, and if it's too easy, of course, don't touch. Just try not to use the momentum. So basically, try the exhaling the pull, inhaling to open, and of course, keeping the straight upright straight, the good posture has all time. And goals here again, the 15 repetition. This exercise also will increase your heart rate a little bit too, and then legs, hips a little bit more tight. Of course, if you see it, I'm going to shake the legs, and then just make sure to relax the hips joint. So this one, like good morning, move the hips, the hinge. We did the deadlift before, the similar things. So hinging the hips, I'm gonna show you 3-5 times. I'm pushing my hips, my hands. So pushing the hips back, keeping the back neutral, spine, head same, just to follow the body, upper body. Slight knee bend. I want to show you every angle this exercise, so you see the every side of my side, I'm doing the which way, and leaning forward, pushing the hips back. Like you think about it, you try to push the hips back hard as you can without bending your knee doing the squatting. So hinging the hips back, and I'm holding my shoulders each other. This will help you to a little bit more engaging the core. Of course, be mindful so your knee not collapsing in, you are not pressing on your toes. All your weight try on your heels. Push the heel, lean forward, and make sure, if you see I'm not standing all the way up, using your lower back but not to strengthen the strain the muscle there. So follow by unit again the resistance band. So holding the resistance band shoulder line. It depends which resistance band power you have. You can of course adjust anytime. So same arms, same legs. If you see, I go little faster this one because I want to just heart rate up same time between the exercises. So keeping your one arm stable, other arms back, same arm and same leg goes back. So like a lunge, scissors move, and then step back and center, step back and center. And 15, we do the 15 the other side as well, keeping the shoulder relaxed. And just one step back, the toes touch, both arms straight as possible. And of course, is to try one more thing, the reminder to keeping your wrist straight. And make sure you're breathing in, breathing out, not holding the breathing. And 15 each side. So feel free to do the between the water break anytime you want. Just make sure you're well hydrated. If you need it, just pause the video, please rest and keep going. And starting I suggested 2 sets each exercises, but feel free to do the 3 sets of course, and if you have time. So keeping your core tight with the chair, so keeping the heel touch the chair and upright straight, and always standing legs, knees slightly bent, not lock the knee. We are not leaning back as well. And then good posture, the chest up. 15 times, heel touch and down. And after 15, we are going the second part of the same leg exercise. And after stay the highest you can, small pulses. You may feel the burn your quadriceps, but to try to do your best to 10. Just a small pulses. And followed by this other side we are doing. 15, first the heel drop to touch. And this one is, of course, we don't want too far the chair, we don't want too close. Just a little is enough to pull your knee and then touch the heel. And then you are not leaning back. If you're too far back the chair, you may feel the leaning back a little bit. Make sure you engage in core whole time. After we do the 10 pulses, so we have, after we take the chair again, so we're holding the chair behind that. So this one, the first leg slightly bend, and the other legs, the leg curl, single leg curl. So knee the same line. I'm going to show you other angle as well. Okay, put your feet flex position. So dorsiflexion, pull the toes. So keeping your sole of your foot is as flat as possible, and engaging the fully, like you think about your heel touching the glutes, kicking the glutes without moving your kneecap. So bending the knee, like you think about building the biceps curl, without moving the elbow. Same thing, without moving the knee, squeezing. Try to touch the heel, the butt, close as possible. And always supporting legs knee bent. And enjoy your workout.